Hey, check out this blocked clay storm drain tile. This is 4-inch diameter that I grabbed off of one of our recent job sites just to show how blocked these drain systems can get. This is about a 100-foot run and was about 7 feet deep. We tried to jet and cable this, but it resulted in an excavation and replacement.
You're not getting through anything on that line. There's no way out of it besides digging it up and replacing it. So this is a clay pipe, and it's, I think he said it was a storm drain, so that's just like area drain lines and just a non-line that's been not maintained, just slowly throughout the years, just built up with dirt, roots, so bad to, obviously it was not clearing anymore. Run water down it yearly, run a cable down it yearly. Usually you're replacing the whole pipe. You get a camera down there, sometimes you can figure out how far your problems are and dig up certain areas. But with clay pipe comes 5-foot sections. So sometimes at every connection, you have roots. Depending on how deep it is, you're using an excavator to dig it up. Or if it's shallow, it's hand dug, depending on what's around your surroundings. Sometimes you just have to hand dig because there could be utilities. So something like this is very costly. It can be very costly. You know, you got to bring in porta potties. That can be $2,000 a day just to keep porta potties and hand wash sinks for the employees of the building. It could cost $3,000 to $4,000 a day just for your plumbing crew to be out there.